this is not Alex Vlog if it's not starting in a transpo. Hi mga tol, it's me again, Alex Katoltol. For this video, let's go to Quezon Province.
Dalandan daw. Ito o dalandan. Ito batang dalandan. Oh. Hello.
Dalawa na ito talaga.
Ano ba? Palaman, gusto nyo ba?
Just a quick coffee shop hopping before our summer outing early in the morning. So sad that the beauty of the beaches and waves here in Infanta doesn't give enough justice here in my camera. Now, let's go to Merland Island. To be honest, this island is a very special place to me. Actually to us. Second time ko palang nakapunta dito, pero this island gives this welcoming aura and dito kami sobrang naging solid talaga as a group of friends. I'm just hoping that makabalik kami ulit dito ng complete, including Sophia na di nakasama.
Ayun o, maninisid o.
Cellphone mo muna. Wala ko eh. Wala ko, te. Wala. Ay, kay Jumel. Magpapapicture tayo kay Doc. Magpapapicture. Doc, picture mo kami, Doc. Ay, nagpapakit siya sa camera. Hello. Hello. Ang cute-cute nyo namang dalawa. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute-cute naman ang dalawa na to. Ang ginagawa mo? Ginagawa mo? May paminta na yun.
Ayun, nakatulog. mag-swimming. This spin wheel gives me these relaxation vibes every time it spin. Kaya kudos to the people here who put this. Just a takeaway reminder, let's enjoy life and try everything. Even if di natin alam kung paano gawin ang isang bagay. Kung makaremind ka naman talaga naman ng experience. So yeah, let's enjoy this life while we are living. So let's return back na sa Infanta.
Climb the ridge where clouds begin to form. The valley sank beneath the coming storm. My steps were heavy with the weight I'd stored, but every rise is pulling me toward a place where air is thin and sight is wide, where I could lay the burdens down inside. The wind was sharp against my face and hands. It whispered things I couldn't understand. But as I reached the top and turned around, I saw how far I'd come from lower ground. From the mountain I can see the road I climbed. Every twist and every turn I left.
Tama na nga yung background music na yun over naman sa Senti na para bang lungkot-lungkutan si mama. Ito na lang para happy.
Parang maganda yung payo. Parang gusto ko na ganun.
Side view lang.
Alam mo, gusto ko yung bahay. Parang may ganun. May ganun kami. Pwede kami mag-vlog. Breakfast na lang. What are you eating?
Ano yun? I always feel everyone.
Rolling. Go. Mahirap ba maging isang LDR?
Bilang flat was sa Sophia Park. ano siguro?
Okay. Mahirap ba yung LDR? Hindi pwede magseryoso. Second mara interview ka.
nakatulog.
Ang daming ano. Ang daming
Daming commercial. Hindi ka pa naka-premium sa kanya.
Okay. Ito nga. Ba't tayo mo pag nababang siya? Eh ano? Wait, parang hindi ko nga narinig mula sa'yo.
Ano pa?
Parang ano, kasi... Siyempre parang... Wait lang. Parang...
Bilang stylist, how many cow did you kill to make those?
Okay. Ilang stylist? How many whales? How many goats? Just woke up.
Just had one. Sino mo to? Yung makausap mo mga ngayon.
Sige naman, mouse mo.
Tama na.
Hi. Ano yung mga natutunan mo sa bakasyon? May pulot of the day.
Tutunan kong magsumbong sa'yo.
Pagod na pagod na.
Ano na? Manong ula?
Tara.
Alam mo yun?
Maano ulam? Oo. Yun alam ko pa yun. Pero yung nag-scramble, di ko kalala yun.
Scramble.
Baby. Search mo.
May na-internet.
Oh, di na pa kayo.
Malalaman natin paano ginayong mo yun ito.
Ibar's food never really disappoint us. This is our go-to place whenever we go here in Infanta, Quezon. Last time ang in-order lang namin sa kanila is goto or lugaw, but we really enjoyed it. But now mga silog nila ang in-order namin iba-iba, and it is a 10 over 10 lahat. If pupunta kayo dito, huwag nyo kaligtaan bumili ng halo-halo. This place makes my halo-halo standard so high. And considering the price, sobrang mura dito. Sobrang sulit ng 4 days vacation namin here in Infanta, and babalik-balikan talaga namin. For now, uwi na tayo ng Metro Manila. Before umuwi ng Metro Manila, magko-coffee shop muna kami sa Escalera. Again guys, thank you for watching this memories vlog of mine, and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Thanks for watching guys.